Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna find every planet that I possibly can. First one is Jupiter. So wait, what planet is this? Wait. There's Earth. Now what is that? What? Huh? Oh, that's Canopus. She's... Yeah. Let me just go back to Earth. Here's Earth. And the Andromeda, that's the sun. I thought it was the sun. Yeah, that's the sun. Right, that's the sun. Let's my exposure up. If that's the sun, that's Andromeda. No. Should I just think I just if that's the sun, then somewhere over here I think should be Jupiter. Yeah, Jupiter. Yeah, we found Jupiter. Let me just get out of there because right now I'm on Jupiter. Give me a second. Here, we found Jupiter, guys. Alright, make sure to tomorrow or today will be the next part, so bye.